Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Las Vegas. That's right, I'm at the SEMA show, and as you know, I'm trying to show you new and the latest and greatest, and as you know, we are a Keko dealer at our store. We already sell their step bars, and we sell their roll bars. Now, Keko has come out with the rolling covers. We have not sold any rolling covers by them, but we get to see one at the show. So before I go into the cover, take a look how this cover, by the way, this is a Ford Maverick. Take a look how this works. This it's kind of like a roll bar, but it has a bed bar as well. Now this is connected to the cover. It's not actually connected to the truck itself, connected to the cover, and the cover's bolted onto the inside of the truck here. So now this is a metal cover here, and I think this has a sharp look. Now of course the most important thing, how does it work? Well, let's take a look here. I can see they have a bedrock in here, and you got a nice little small remote, so let's go ahead and push the button there. If you notice, I just pushed it one time, and it's working by itself. Now I'm assuming if I push it again, it would stop it along the way there. So as you can see, now, as you know, the Ford Maverick does not have the deepest bed, so it's good this has a smaller canister. It's not terrible. It is not the smallest canister, but it's not the biggest either. It's on the small side, so it doesn't eat up that lot of room. You can see how the cover is clamped on here. The only drilling you're going to really need to do is for your drainage system, which is standard for any rolling cover. Now, if you look closely, you see this is attached. Again, I mentioned before, the bars attached together. Now, this is an electric cover. You can get this in a manual as well, so you have the choice of the manual or the electric, whatever you want to do. I mean, I got to admit, I like the electric. I mean, maybe I'm a little lazy, but man, it's fun. Just push a button and it does it for you. I find it very convenient. It's a good look. Again, if you have this Ford Maverick here, this will look terrific on it. I like this. I think it looks sharp. As you know, the Maverick is a real hot truck, and this is a great look for this truck. Now, if you like this, as you know, we are an authorized Keko dealer in South Florida. If you want, you can give us a call in the store. This is not on our website at this time. I'd recommend calling us and ask for Dave or John or Joel or myself, Chris, and we'll walk you through any questions you might have. And of course, we offer installation of this. Anything we install, you get 1 year labor guarantee on the product, as well as the parts guarantee. Again, this is Chris in the SEMA show, and I'm with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you for checking us out. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe to the video. Thank you.